So let's solve this question. The question reads, given that x and y are disjoint sets, simplify x complement union y complement. So by applying De Morgan's rule, we found that De Morgan's rule states that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Same applies to A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So these two laws are the ones that are going to help us simplify this. So from this we can see to say that this one is same as this one. So we will write this as equal to this. So you say x complement union y complement is equal to x intersection y complement. Now, what's the thing you need to know about disjoint sets? We know that disjoint sets, they have no intersection sets. So the disjoint sets, they have no intersection sets. So what are we going to do with this? So x intersection y is equal to an empty set, since these two sets are disjoint sets as well. So we will say this, we will replace this by an empty set complement. And we know that the complement of an empty set is an universal set. So our final set is a universal set. So it is how we simplify this question. So question B, given that B and Q are N2 sets, express P complement intersection P union Q complement. I think the question should be in its lowest term. Yeah. So we're going to express this complement. So let me rewrite the question. We say P complement intersection P union Q complement. So applying the same rule we were using, De Morgan's rule, this one, we can see that this is equal to this. So when you just see P union Q complement is same as, so let's start by simplifying this. We say P union Q complement is same as P complement intersection Q complement. Now by substituting, when we substitute, by substituting we get P complement intersection. Now this one is going to be replaced by this. We'll say P